12th Science, Chapter 8, The D and F block elements, Part 1, Position of D and F block elements in periodic table. Hello students, I am Madhusina, your chemistry teacher. Watch my YouTube videos, like and subscribe it for further notifications. Today we will study about the position of D block and F block elements in modern periodic table and their classification. If we make an outline of modern periodic table, you already know that modern periodic table is classified into 4 blocks on the basis of their electronic configuration. We have already studied that on the extreme left hand side we have S block elements. These elements belong to S block because the last electron enters into S orbital. On extreme right hand side of the periodic table we have P block elements. We have already studied the chemistry of P block. They are rich in variety because they include all metals, non-metals as well as metalloids. Now, the center of the periodic table contains metals only and they are known as D block elements. We call them as D block elements because the last electron enters into D orbital. The general electronic configuration of D block elements are N-1, D1 to 10, Ns2, where Ns is the valence shell, that is outermost shell. N-1 D orbital is known as penultimate shell. The D block elements which are having incompletely filled d orbitals are known as transition elements, right? The word transition is used because they show transitional behavior between the ionic S block and the covalent P block elements. So since they are showing the intermediate behavior between S block and P block, they are also known as transition elements. All transition elements are the members of D block, but all D block elements are not transition elements. So transition elements are basically those D block elements which are having incompletely filled D orbitals. Now let us classify these D block elements. Now these D block elements are classified into 4 series. Atomic number 21 to 30. They are called as 3D series as the last electron enters into 3D orbital. It is also known as first transition series. Atomic number 39 to 48 are the members of 4D series as the last electron enters into 4D orbital, or we can call them as second transition series. Now this third and fourth transition series is 5D and 6D series. But you will see some exception here. Here we are having an element with atomic number 57 and then from atomic number 72 to atomic number 80. So that means 5D series has atomic number 57 which is lanthanum. And then from 72, that is hafnium to mercury are the members of 5D series or third transition series. Now you will be thinking, then where are the rest of the elements between 57 to 71? Since they are showing a different type of behavior, as compared to these members but similar type of characteristic, these elements are placed at the bottom. Here we are having elements from 57 to 71, which is called as 4F series or lanthanoids. So lanthanum, right, it is having 4F0, it is a member of F block, but it shows some properties. It is having d orbital, so it is a member of d block also. Similarly, in 6d series, we are having actinium, atomic number 89, and then we are having elements starting from atomic number 104 to 113. Now in between 89 and 104, the elements are placed here at the bottom, which is known as 5F series, or we popularly called as actinoids. Now we can easily identify the place of D and F block elements. D block elements are placed in the center, whereas F block elements are placed at the bottom of the periodic table. A transition element is defined as the one which has incompletely filled d orbital in its ground state or in any of its oxidation state. Zinc, cadmium and mercury of group 12 have completely filled d orbital. They have D10 configuration in their ground state as well as in their common oxidation states. Hence, they are not considered as transition elements. The D block of the periodic table contains elements of group 3 to 12 in which the d orbitals are progressively filled in each of the 4 long periods. The elements constituting the F block are those in which 4F and 5F orbitals are progressively filled. There are mainly 3 series of transition metals: 3D series from scandium to zinc, 4D series from yttrium to cadmium, and 5D series lanthanum to mercury omitting Ce to Lu. The fourth 6D series, which begins with actinium, is still incomplete. The 2 series of inner transition metals 4F and 5F are known as lanthanoids and actinoids respectively and are placed at the bottom of periodic table.